Look at your watches. The steel contained in your watch will not be worth even 10 rupees. But when it is fabricated into your watch, the value added to the steel makes it worth 200 rupees or 300. The NTTF is doing a great service in this direction. Number one, it trains people. Not only that, it trains people in the sophisticated area. It also provides the incentive for the man to go into areas where the value added is very much higher, and as a consequence, he gets a better remuneration for the work.
Skilled manpower is the backbone of industry and the foundation of a nation. Hiring an employable workforce is the challenge of most industries today. NTTF, with its quality and high standard of education, has been able to address this need and also provide corporate houses with training programs to reskill their existing employees. Apart from gaining skills, students who join NTTF grow in confidence to face the future. NTTF has played a significant role in the transformation of its students and the welfare of their families.
We are not students, we are trainees. Within these 3 years, they are giving us the training to how to behave in a company. If we are getting a job, how to do each and every job. They are making us capable to work in a company as a team, as an individual and everything.
No, as a student, he is totally in darkness. There is a talent in him. We open it.
When you are in a SSLC or when you before training started, we were just like a mud. NTTF has molded us. What I am today is just because of NTTF.
The passion in us, the focus, the endurance, and the commitment, and the leadership. You feel bad to fail a commitment that was put in us. These are the 5 things that the NTTF puts you, and that's the edge, and which is not available in any institute.
So thereby he slowly realizes his responsibility, how he should behave himself in the public life and share both the problems and achievement. So it becomes mutual trust between the teacher, between the industry, between the students.
The faculty is very approachable in NTTF. I mean, they are very open to hearing out what issues we have even in the course itself. They take a lot of feedback, and that way I feel it is very good.
I am basically from a village background, and NTTF played a significant role in shaping up we as a person. We came out very confident. So some of the things I recall, 3D as I was saying, discipline and determination and dedication. This is what we learned from NTTF, and it has become a part of our personality and helped all along our career.
NTTF today has a pan-India presence with around 30 training centers, including corporate partner centers. It uses a proven methodology gained over 5 decades of its existence.
We have got a communication with industry where we place our students, and we'll ask them as a questionnaire, what is that new you expect from them, both technical as well as from the attitudinal and soft skill part of it. So they tell us, says this software is outdated, you must have new software added. This machining process what you are doing not needed now, it should be all CNC or automation of this nature. So such information we get it, naturally we assimilate it ourselves, and then it is created by us, and finally have got a vetting from the academic council. And this updating is going on every year.
The boys who came out of NTTF, they could be employed directly into the industry. There was no further training required.
It was a very good experience, the placements here, because we were, even before the placement started, we were tuned to facing placements. We had a course as to how to approach different interviews, different companies, and how to prepare for a specific company, the kind of dialect we should have.
I always say that NTTF transforms ordinary engineers into extraordinary engineers. We know what kind of background the students come with. They are not ready immediate. So we have to inculcate in them a sense of discipline, and over a period of time they shape up well.
எனக்குள்ளே இருந்த டேலண்ட் எல்லாம் எக்ஸிபிட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடச்சிது. ஸோ இப்போ நான் ஆஸ் அ டீம் லீடராக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன். என்னாலே நம்ப முடியல நான் டீம் லீடராக இருக்கேன். I'm able to control 45 members in my line.
We eventually started doing projects and we went to tech fests at IIT and we won there. That was in my second semester. So diploma students going to IIT and beating a couple of IITs, that was a different experience for us.
I was interviewed by one company in Hubli. I am talking about 1991. He told if you are to come from NTTF, you will get 1200 for a first year. If you are from BE, you will get 1000. If you are diploma, you are 800. So this was enough for me to understand what is NTTF. Industrial acceptance was very high. Even today it is very high.
NTTF offers various programs at the postgraduate degree, postgraduate diploma, post-diploma, diploma and certificate levels, apart from various non-formal or skill development programs. All programs offered by NTTF are employment-oriented and industry-focused. This way, NTTF has enhanced the technological skill base of the nation.
I don't think any one institution could possibly cope up with the demand of a country like India. NTTF has is that it gives a level of training that nobody else is giving, and therefore the demands for its training are great.
People say we are a benchmarking institution in vocational and education training. That's what even government authorities tell.
The NTTF has got a charisma of its own which shapes the future of the young boys.
The main theme of NTTF is that secure your own future with your own hands. I am proud to be an NTTF.
NTTF contributing to the nation's growth since 1963.